Let's connect your Klaviyo data to Google Looker Studio. Go to powermetrics.com and start a free trial. By the way, we already have a free forever plan. Then log in with the same Google account you use on Google Looker Studio. I will log in with my account, and now I will choose a single data source because this time we are only connecting Klaviyo data. By the way, I'm not sure if I am pronouncing correctly Klaviyo. Anyways, I will choose Klaviyo and I will connect my account. So I will add account, I will connect a new account, and I need two things to connect the data: the account name and the API key. Actually, the account name is optional, so I can choose anything like optional name, but I need the API key. I need to go to my Klaviyo account, go to account settings, and go to API keys. And on API keys, create a private API key, put any name on it, and read only key. This is the permission that we need. Go to create, and with this new API key, we will paste it right here, click on next, and we have connected our Klaviyo data. Here, I will go to next, I will select the account I am connecting. So I will select this account, create report, and this means we have successfully connected our Klaviyo data to Power Metrics and to Google Looker Studio. It is time to load your data on Looker Studio, so Looker Studio will open, and once your report is loading, you will go to save and share, acknowledge and save, and we will have created our Klaviyo report on Looker Studio. Now I will show you some data in the report. So I will go to select date range because this account in particular doesn't have any data during this year. And I will choose a different date range. It will be last year, click on apply, and we have created our Klaviyo report on Looker Studio. Now I will show you some things that you can do with this free dashboard. Let's see the use cases and examples of this Klaviyo dashboard template on Looker Studio. First, I will go to the view mode on Looker Studio, and you can see I am breaking down this report by audience engagement and revenue views. I will show you why. First, I am visualizing my acquisition data. I want to know my new subscribers, my email marketing subscribers, and my SMS subscribers. And here I can track this performance data over time. If I go to unsubscribes, I can do the same. I can monitor my unsubscribes from email and my unsubscribes from SMS, but I can see that the title there is wrong. It should say SMS. And also I can visualize this data over time. If I go to list, I can break down my data also by list performance. So I can track any metrics, opens, clicks, subscribers, whatever, and I can break down by list name. And there are other fields that I can add to this data, like the list creation date, list update date, and other fields that you can explore in our connector. You can see we are mapping our funnel from the top metrics like received email, then opened emails, then clicked emails, then conversions and revenue, and I can visualize it as a funnel over time by campaign and by flow. Also, if I go to bounces, I can also view this data: hard bounces, soft bounces for email marketing, for SMS, and so on. And as well, I can break down this data by list, by automation, by campaign, and so on. And finally, my favorite view, it is the revenue report. Here I can track by Shopify events or by Klaviyo events, or if you are connecting WooCommerce or Magento, you can bring as well those events. In this case, I'm connecting my Shopify data. This is interesting from Klaviyo. It turns out that you can connect actual Shopify sales data to Klaviyo so you can do better email marketing attribution. Here, this data is pulling from Shopify and syncing with my Klaviyo account so I can fully monitor my email marketing performance from received emails, from opens, from clicks, until actual orders received. As you can see here, I can see a map from order, product, checkout, place order, fulfill order, and so on. And this is how you can create a Klaviyo dashboard on Google Looker Studio for free.